Hey friends, welcome back to our channel. If you're new, welcome. Thanks for stopping by. And if you're returning, thanks for joining us in this video. In San Diego, so we're going to be going on some nursery tours.
And
so this is our first one.
And now we're at the hotel.
Tagged along with my husband on one of his work trips. So yeah, we're here in San Diego. We're super excited to visit their nurseries.
Come along. Come on.
All right, let's go to our first one. Cool. So you'll know all the plants?
Huh?
You'll know all the plants?
Well, not exactly, but I know some plants' names.
Cool.
But I forgot a couple of names.
That's totally fine. Mommy doesn't know all the names.
But I know some names.
Okay, cool. You can help me out then.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so I'm here at a nursery in San Diego. And they have so many Hoyas.
And say my son works here.
My son works here. They have this, I believe this is a philodendron. They have a lot of string of hooks. They have these. Ficus elastica. Monstera. These guys, the Ficus elastica, I think those are Taniki. Ferns. Some philodendron. I believe that's Ceylon.
Huh?
See what else they have, Papa? Some staghorn. Oh my gosh, they have so many. These monsteras, if you're looking for a monstera and you're close to San Diego or willing to make the drive. Some spider plants.
Interesting.
There's plants. What else do we have here? Cacti here. I think these are the rat tail. So healthy and beautiful. Okay, Papa, come this way. Some succulents here, string of pearls, more monstera. How pretty those are. Come over here, Buggy. Come over here. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this is like his main little area of plants.
Mom,
Yes, son.
watch out.
Some fiddly fig. There's jungle creatures.
Yes. If you touch a plant, then a jungle creature will come out.
Okay.
So don't touch any plant.
I won't touch any plants. There's some Dracaena.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, there's just a lot to take in. This one's beautiful. That's a philodendron.
You doing?
Looks like a Congo, but it's a red.
Do you feel like you're doing
Beautiful.
one?
Hmm?
Do you feel like you're doing like go along?
More over here. Oh, these are beautiful too. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay. Let's look at the succulents. Jonathan, come look at the succulents with me.
Huh?
So there's all these succulents. Archivarias. Mostly. I will put the information to this place. It's called J&S. I don't know if it's gardens or I have to ask him again. Lovely Lolas. Looks like this is their just growing tray. pretty. So many of the same kind of succulents, which is normal to see. Little arrangements. Some big old pothos, golden pothos. Pothos. That one's pretty. Okay, let's go this way. More string of hooks. Come here, baby. One bush fiddly figs. This is beautiful. I don't know what this is called, but it's huge. Oh yes, you are, Papa. Let's keep going.
They have a lot of breeds.
So pretty. That's definitely like a succulent. So pretty. Okay, baby, let's go this way. Oh my goodness, this is awesome. The propagation area. I've never seen anything like this. It's so cool. Some big spider plants. This place is pretty awesome. Okay, let's see. Some burro's tail, a lot of burro's tail. Some little succulents, 2-inch pots. Some more 4-inch. Let's see what's over here. Ask him if he has any string of dolphins. These are all string of bananas. I have to ask him, I'm curious. Some more. Do you have any string of dolphins? Have you seen those?
Yeah.
You do? Oh my gosh.
Mother plant.
Oh, that's some other plant. Okay.
I got all these ones already.
You got all these from there? Yeah. Awesome. So that one's not for sale.
No, that one. But this one.
Awesome. Okay. They're so cute. Okay, let's keep looking. We have tons of string of hearts. So pretty. I have one though, so I can't get another one. I mean, could I? I don't know. Let's see. All down there, string of hearts, and on top of here. Oh, the new leaves look awesome though. This one looks crazy.
Mom, can I be on
Look around.
Okay, so we're gonna see some. Look at so this is pretty, and we're on a plant tour, and so you can see like some places are different, some places also I like it. So we have some, if you can see that here. So I just like to go on a plant. So we have every, and so there, like you can see some hanging plants, and so these are so beautiful. And so you really excited. It's cool.
All right, guys, so we just finished up with that nursery. I'm super excited. I got some really cool plants I can't wait to show you. We had a good time in there, and now we're gonna go have lunch, and then we'll go to another nursery. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I do have some more nursery tour videos coming your way, and yeah, so hit that notification bell to see when my videos are uploaded. Talk to you soon. Bye.